I used to be a younger me. Middle child, I was the wildest one of three. Still got this scar here on my knee from chasing trouble with the big kids on my street. My daddy taught me how to fight. He said, don't back down when you know that you're right. My mama taught me how to love. She said, always use your heart to rise above. And I say, oh, don't let go of me. Don't ever leave. And yes, I know it's a long road, but all I need is right here next to me, my family. My family. I read my little ones to sleep, put my face right next to theirs to feel and breathe. I'm gonna show them how to dream. We'll plant a seed and watch it grow into a tree. They know I'll always be around to pick them up when they fall down, and I'll teach them the lessons taught to me. And I say, oh, don't let go of me. Don't ever leave. And yes, I know it's a long road, but all I need is right here next to me, my family.
I love you. I love you. You actually made him laugh.
One little private beach right at the back. Nothing like